Hello children, hope you all are safe and enjoying Ganesh Utsav, correct? I am Mrs. Anjali Khandekar. I am your maths teacher. So let's learn maths with fun. Today's topic is less and more. Your textbooks, page number 24. Let's learn the concept of less and more. How do you spell less? It is L-E-S-S, means come. How do you spell more? It is M-O-R-E, more. More means ज़्यादा. So now, what do you mean by these two concepts, less and more? Less means a smaller amount of, मतलब संख्या में कम होना. More means a greater amount of, मतलब संख्या में ज़्यादा होना. Now, in this topic, we will learn to compare objects based on their quantities. Quantities means numbers. When we have two objects of different quantities, one is more in quantity and the other is less. So now, to make this concept easier to understand, we will have some pictures. Shall we see the pictures? Fine. Let's see. Look at these boxes of chocolates. Now tell me, which box has more chocolates and which box has less chocolates? Correct. This box has more chocolates and this box has less chocolates. Now, I will show you one more picture. These are two plates having sweets. Now tell me, which plate has more sweets and which plate has less sweets? Very good. The white plate has less sweets and the brown plate has more sweets. Now take out your textbooks, page number 24. Here we have some pictures. Look at the first picture. These are two pictures of children. Now you have to color the box having more children. Now tell me, which picture is showing more children? Very good. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 children. And these are 1, 2. 2 children. So, we will color this box to show more children. Now, look at the next picture. These are the pictures of boats. First picture is having 1, 2, 3, 3 boats. And the second picture is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boats. So now, tell me, which is having less boats? Correct. So color this first box. Now look at these pictures. These are the pictures of birds. In first picture, how many birds are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 birds. And in the second picture, 1, 2, 3. So, which picture is having more birds? Very good. First picture is having more birds. So, we will color this box. Now, To make this concept more easier to understand, take out your textbooks, page number 25. On this page, one-to-one pairing concept is given. With the help of this concept, we will decide, is it more or is it less? Okay. Let us pair the boats in group A and group B. Now, join one boat in group A with one boat in group B. Now, we observe that the boats in group A are over. Some boats in group B are remain. It means what? It means that boats in group B are more. Okay. Now, what did we learn today? Today we learned the concept of less and more. Less means a smaller amount of, and more means a greater amount of. And to make this concept more easier, we learned the concept of pairing. Pairing helps us to decide more or less. Okay. So, now today's homework. Complete page number 24 and 25 in your textbook as well as in your maths notebook. So, we will come with the new concept in the next class. Till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Stay healthy, stay safe, and most important, stay at your home.